Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And last night I made a video about the perspective tool that's pretty cool. If you go to Object and add perspective, you can change uh, the way things look like they're disappearing into normally you would probably do it the other direction, but you could change your note. Anyway, I stated in that video that it was only available after X18, and then somebody commented this morning that they have it in X7, and then I started looking. It's even back as far as X6, which I still have on another computer. The only difference is in 18, it is under, instead of objects, and this is why I couldn't find it. In 18 and 16 and 17, it is in under effects. Same thing, same tool, I just don't have the word there. We could probably grab that word after getting the perspective tool away. Go copy, go here and paste, and then let's just get rid of this other perspective. So go to effects and perspective. Well, you know what? It's probably already done something to it, so because it's not highlighted, probably from the other. I've already perspected it, so it won't do it. So you do have it. The person I was trying to help couldn't find it. Well, I look back in my object where it is now, and they put it under effects because it is an effect, but I guess they figured it was better than object. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.